Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here and then type CMD, right click on command prompts and then click run as administrator, and after that once you're here type ipconfig//dns and then type net windsock reset, and now just close it, and after that right click on FIFA 23 and properties compatibility, and now once you're here click run compatibility troubleshooter and click try recommended settings, then click test program and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.